How to log in into your LinkedIn account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your LinkedIn account. So if you're new to LinkedIn and if you've just created an account but you don't know how to log in, this video is for you. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have your LinkedIn app, and if you do have that, open it up. This is what LinkedIn app's initial interface will look like, and here you will see different options where you can sign up for LinkedIn. Now if you do not have an account, you can tap on agree and join, or you can continue with Facebook. If you already do have an account, tap on the sign in button and now you will be on the sign in page. What you'll need to do is you will need to hit your email here or phone number and then your password. After doing that, tap on sign in and you'll get logged in. There is also an option where you can sign in using Google, so you can do that as well. So I'll just sign in using my Google, and there you go, you have just logged in into your LinkedIn account. And that is basically all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.